Hello friends, this is digital moisture meter. This moisture meter is working for the testing the moisture in the grains. Okay, all the instructions is given here, and this unit is not getting on. Okay, this is 6-volt supply for this unit, and here is the complaint is the positive wire of the battery clip, it is broken, desoldered. Okay, I soldered the positive supply and put the clip. Okay, this moisture meter is working on the principle of the moisture in the outside, the moisture in the open area, that reference the grain sensor is there. The grain sensor is calculating the dryness of the grains, and the what is the outside moisture and the grain moisture is to be calculated by the memory ICs are there here. This is the sensor of the set and sensor, and this is the board, that is the what is the dryness is there in the grains is to be calculated and given to this memory IC. Then it will calculate and given the percentage of moisture in the grain. This grain meter or moisture meter is using in the all APMC or because of dryness, to check the dryness of the maize and grains. Okay, here there is no any other defects is to be done, because the main IC is to be displayed, and these IC is the company is damaged the number, and these small what complaints are to be done. Otherwise, this is the reference outside moisture is to be fitted here, and that is connected to the main board, and the sensor is calculating this outside moisture, and the moisture in the grain is to be calculated in the a difference between the outside moisture and grain moisture. Then it is to be displayed in the display board. Okay, this is the unit. Thank you for very much for viewing.